Viewers, everybody leaves this program. I want to tell the people who check on social media or Facebook or YouTube. Right now, 419, there are many for the system inside. If you want to find the nice person, the place where you will get nice person, that time no people do you 419 a lot. So that's why Nana Gozo, today I want to tell the viewers, every person you are watching TV station or social media, Facebook, YouTube, many people they are scamming, and people take their service like Illuminati or what do you call it? Listen, lodge, and that people always be fake people. If you want to do this work, if you are a spiritual man, take yourself as a spiritual leader. You are Muslim, take yourself as Muslim. You are Illuminati, take yourself as Illuminati. Because people take 419, they on social media collecting people money free, and the work you want, you can't do it. If you are spiritual man or spiritual leader, you're supposed to take time and give the people who do the work, get the time for them. If somebody call you video call or call you anytime, you're supposed to receive the person call. But some of the spiritual people, you will send money, give them, later if you call him, you will block your number or you won't pick your call again. Or if you want to see him video call, you won't pick your call and you see him face because of you are doing 419 work. That's why Nana Gbozo today I come this social media on TV station, wherever you get this video, share, give your people, because this time 419 people take this work is like doing people 419 collecting their money, and you can't do the work for you. How I'm dressing like this today or tomorrow, if you go to Facebook or YouTube, somebody will edit my number and put your number, you are scamming people. That in every blessed day I'm getting complaint. That's why I just want to take this short video, give anyone you are watching me TV station or social media, you should take your time. 419 people, they are there too much using people's shrine. Somebody there, you don't get the ghost, you go and beg somebody ghost inside and take video, boost, and you see the boost and take the number. Come later, if you come, you will regret yourself. The work you want me, can't do for you. If you come this my work inside, you will see me. This room where I'm doing my work. That's why I take the video here. This place I'm doing my work. If you come and the things you will see the video inside, you know be this thing then it is the person want to do you 419. And if you want to come to me, I'm begging you, call me video call and see my face. After you send the money finish, call me video call again. And I say, oh, I received the money. I'll do your work for you. The people who are there outside, every blessed day, they give me complaint about how people take video. You follow this work where people collect their money and later you do them 419. I'm telling the people who they outside, London, Germany, America, US, any country where you there and you see this video, share, give your friends, because 419 people, they are there. How I remove my face like this and everybody see, and if you see the mark too, you know say that's the the right person, Nana Gbozo. Because people use my video collecting people money, the thing I didn't understand the whole thing. That's why I come to take the small video. And any person you want me, take me Nana Gbozo number, contact, just call me. Then I'll show you what you will do. If you want instant money, take Nana Gbozo contact on this social media. I have only 3 numbers I'm using: Tigo and MTN and what do you call it, Airtel number. If you get that number, 3 numbers I'm using, I'll mention the number for you. If you get the number, Just hold the number well, and you see this number is for Nana Agbazo number you are calling. So right now, I want anything you do and you didn't do the money, people will talk say you can't do it. So I will do the some of the action small, and later I mention my number, then you will enjoy the number. For viewers, I talk a lot. So if I want to do something small, some of the people they outside, because of this money, you won't get it. Because you were fooling 419 keep a long time, you didn't get what you want. If you get this number, you didn't suppose you come to Ghana and meet me before you get the money. If you take my number, call me, I will show you what you will do and you make rich. You know, we only outside you go and you make rich. Some of the viewers, I want everybody to see something small, because this thing, you yourself, if you watch this thing inside, I don't think nothing dey inside. This thing, nothing dey inside. No logo connection, no any connection dey the thing inside. So I want to put the thing down and I show you people what the gospel can do for you. Nifuma for Jarapa. This one you know be editing. Just the cameraman, you should watch the thing well and you will see. You know be editing. I want to do something small. And you people see, you know be only abroad you go and get the money. Ghana here, you can get it. But from my point back on temperate houses are whatever I come. Come to your Hazama Kabacha, I shall do this Christmas Kabacha, commend the Kabacha. Ni for my food, ni for my food, but from my point back on temperate houses, I hope again, whatever I come to your power. But from my point back on temperate houses, this one is money, dollars, real one. Brothers and sisters, if you want this money and call Nana Agbazo, contact Nana Agbazo, you'll get it. Some people they are lying themselves, you can do money and other things, and you can't do it. Just see the money. If you see fake money, because know be somebody who tell you this money is fake. Me, I don't do some of the counterfeit people, they are promoting TV top and do it. If you want this money, just take Nana Agbazo contact, you get it. The money will move on, you know, the counterfeit money or something like that. I'll tell you, my brother and my sister, if you want this money, just take Nana Agbazo number and call me. I will show you one this. But from many people, they TV talk and Facebook, and you are doing people scamming and fraud people. Me, I don't do type of the work with. This money, if you follow, I can come out this money before the day break. But I didn't show you the money. You do this thing, you have money. But let me go to the CD. Take the camera and watch me well. This one, nothing there inside. Nothing. There is nothing there inside. But see what the gospel can do for you. Well, from my contemporary also, Sarkosis, I hope again, whatever I come with that one. As I'm a Kabaja, power, I shall do this placement of Kabaja. Ni for my food, ni for my food, but from my contemporary also, I hope it's a hope again, whatever come the phone. This one is what? That's Ghana cities. With me, bank name. If you want this money, my brother and sister, just come and this one no be counterfeit or what do you call it? Me, I don't know counterfeit. I don't know counterfeit. If you want this money, just come to meet Nana Agbazo. I will show you what they call money. Money be nothing. If you want, just go abroad, just come to a meet Nana Agbazo. You will see one day. So if you want to make rich, take this number and call me. So let me give you my number. I talk a lot. Let me give you my number. 0249 808699. 0249 808699. That's my number. If you want the Airtel to 026 99, the 99 is 3 5548 026 999 5548. But the Tigo number, I don't know him by head. So if you enjoy this program, you will see the number on the screen. Thank you.